ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by watching my videos in full, sharing them, liking and commenting, and go watch a playlist or two. Day 6 of FunToberArt, and we're doing Indian ink. Well, ink's plural, but I am using just the black one because that's all I have. And I'm having fun with wooden cutlery and a lid for the moon. I've done a wet into wet technique and added it for the sky, and it's doing a lovely bleeding technique. It's flooding everywhere. It's really creative. And then I'm using the cutlery to draw in a few things like a house and a castle and some hills. And the fork is doing the grass. I'm finishing off with a white Posca pen for highlights. And this is what it's like when it's finished. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.